कोटा प्राइम नंबर सेटा हमें चेक करी कहिया। तो क्लास प्राइम एग्जांपल public static void main. Okay, so it is a main method that we define. So we have to check the prime number 5 is a prime number or not. Okay, so int 5 by defining a value boolean flag false for int I is equals to 2. Okay, I value is 2. I less than equals to norm by 2 means I value is 2, norm is 5, so 5 by 2, so 5 by 2 is 2. Okay, so 5 by 2 is now 2. So here it is 2, so 2 is less than 2, no, 2 is equals to 2, yes, then it coming to here 5 modulo 2 is equals to 0. When you divide a 5, the remainder is 0. So remainder is not 0. So when remainder is not 0, okay, then again I value is increment to 3. So 3 is less than norm by 2. Norm by 2 means 5 by 2. 5 by 2 is 2. So 3 is less than 2. Condition false. So when condition is false, if not flag, so flag is what? Not true. So it is showing you 5 is a prime number. Okay. So now we check here. So 5 is a prime number. आउ थे देखो जी int norm is equals to 5. 5 एठी गला तापर हमें पास करबा कोन ना boolean false. Okay, boolean flag is equals to false. So I is equals to 2. I is equals to 2 means it I ର value 2 हैला 2 is less than 5 by 2. अच्छा 5 by 2 हेले एटा 2 रिटर्न करिवो तो 2 is less than 5. 2 is less than 5. So 2 is not less than 5. Okay, sorry, 2 is not less than 2. 5 by 2 हेले 2. 2 is not less than 2. 2 is equals to 2. The condition true हैला तो एठी आसीबो 5 modulo 2 remainder is 0. 5 को 2 रे मो डिविजिबल कली रिमाइंडर टा 0 की यदि रिमाइंडर 0 नाही ताले फ्लैग टा मोर ट्रू हैला तो रिमाइंडर टा 0 नाही तो एठी हमर ए कंडीशन टा हमर जीवन पुनी आई रो वैल्यू टा हे जीवो केते 3. सो 3 लेस देन 5 by 2. 5 by 2 हे गेला हमर केते आसी गेला 2. सो 3 is less than 2. कंडीशन फॉल्स हैला. सो लूपिंग इज फॉल्स. लूपिंग जदी फॉल्स हैला एठी मोर फ्लैग टा कोन हे जीवो फ्लैग टा ट्रू हैला नै नॉट फ्लैग. यदि नॉट फ्लैग होची इट इज ए प्राइम नंबर. अच्छा फ्लैग रो वैल्यू केते रहउची यदि मो 5 पास करची फ्लैग रो वैल्यू देखि देबा केते रहउची यदि देखिना आउ तो मो एग्जीक्यूट करछ ते जानि परियो नॉट फ्लैग रो एक्चुअली वैल्यू केते रहउची. So not flag means it is true. Okay, and it is a true रहउची not flag माने true. So if it is a true then prime number. Okay, जदि हम एठी 6 पास करिवा, suppose we are passing 6, then 6 रा कंडीशन कोन हो देखो, फ्लैग हमरो फॉल्स अछि, int I is equals to 2, 2 less than 6 by 2, 6 by 2 हेगला केते आसला 3, तो 2 is less than 3, 2 is less than 3, yes 2 is less than 3, तापर एठी आसीला 6 modulo 2 is equals to 0, yes, तो फ्लैग हमरो ट्रू हैला, फ्लैग टा ट्रू हैला पर ब्रेक हे जिवो, तापर एठी आसी गला, एटा नॉट फ्लैग हबनी, एठी आसी गला इट इज नॉट ए प्राइम नंबर। एबे हम देखिबा तो 6 is not a prime number, फ्लैग टा कोन फॉल्स असला, सेठी फ्लैग टा ट्रू असला, बुझला संगीता एतो बुझला, एतो संगीता
आज्ञा आज्ञा सर।
बुझी पाइलो? I save this program. Okay, so it is a while loop. By using while loop, by using what prime number, now we go for do while loop and do while loop. So the difference between while loop and do loop, while loop is what? Suppose first in the while loop, we check condition. So if your condition is true, the statement within the while loop is executed. But in the case of do while loop, if your condition is false, there is no statement is executed. So do Okay, so in the do while loop, first in do while loop, first the statement is execute, then condition will check. While loop is what? First condition is checked, then statement is execute. In the do while loop, first statement is execute, then condition is checked. The difference between do while loop and while loop is what? Difference is what? In the case of while loop, if condition is false, there is no statement is execute. But in the case of do while loop, if condition is false, at least one time the statement is execute. Okay, so in the case of while loop, if your condition is false, there is no statement is execute. But in the case of do while loop, if your statement is false, at least one time the statement is executed. There is a difference between while loop and do while loop. So programmatically, I will show you. So I open the do while loop first. Just a minute. So first see that here we are using a do while loop. Int a is equals to 100. Okay, and we are giving a condition is what? It is showing you all the element which is less than 20. The value which are less than 20 it is displayed. But now what happened? We pass here 100. When you pass here 100, so 100 is not less than 20. Okay, so here condition is false. When 100 टा 20 रो less नहीं, automatic मो condition टा false अछि. जेतरा मो execute करिवे देखे कम आछे. Java C. So at least one time statement is execute. Int a equals to 100. It is printing you 100. So 100 a is equals to a plus 1. 100 plus 1. 101. So 101 is less than 20. 101 is less than 20. Condition false. So when condition is false, before that only at one time the statement is executed, that is 100. That is a work of your do while loop. Okay. And in the case of while loop, if your condition is false, suppose same program, if we use in a while loop, same program, so do while I give you a test. Now we are passing here 100. Okay, do while test, then here we pass condition. While a is less than equals to 20. While a is less than equals to 20, then I move it. Method. So nothing will be executed. So if your condition is false, so there is no statement is execute in the case of do while loop. In while loop, if your condition is false, at least one time the statement is execute. Okay, in do while loop, but in the while loop, if your condition is false, there is no statement is executed. It is statement execute. Okay, so next I show you another program which is called as packaging program. How you have to create a package in Java. Excuse me. So I just take one system as remote. Okay, so for creating a package, what you have to do? First, you have to open a NetBeans. Packaging means it is modularizing program. Then I open here NetBeans ID for packaging system. Then file, new project. Then choose Java application. Next, then here I give the application name. Suppose demo package. So I give a package name. The application name is demo package. Okay, so here it is contain two part. One is folder name, another is file name. So first part is folder name, second part is file name. So I remove it. So my folder name is P1. My folder name is P1 dot class name is first. P1 first. So just use finish. P1 dot first. Now see there. Package name is, here it is a class. So in the source package, P1 is a folder name. So here P1 is a folder name, and see that here the file that we define, it is called the fast.java. So class name is fast.java. So this one is called as a what? Fast.java. Okay. So next what I do, I just enlarge the size on okay. I just remove this one. Okay, I define a function public void display function. So which is showing you system dot out dot println, system dot out dot println. I display you here. This is first class. So one package is created. For creating another package, right click on the source package, new, then Java package. Okay, right click new Java package. Package name is P2. Finish. Package means folder serial. Another module is created. So in this package, again, you have to create a right click, new, then Java class. So give the class name as second. Finish. Class name second is created. So here I define a function public void show function. In show function, it will display system dot out dot println this is second class. Similar way, so here we have defined display function, here we define show function. So I create another package, right click new, Java package, package name is P3. So right click new, Java class, third. So in third, I have to call all the function. माने जो function मो first class रे define करछि, second class रे define करछि, सेरा मो third class रे call करिबि. So how you have to call? Public static void main string arg. So I have to call all the function here. So how you have to call? For calling the function, first you have to create a object of class. So it class ta code rahiche first class, second class. So here I define first, object is I equals to new first. So I'm creating a object of class. So when I create a object of class, it shows an error because this fast class is present where? In package P1. So how you have to rectify it? So as it is present in a different package, we have to use import statement. Import P1 dot first, import P2 dot second. I'm creating two packages. Then again, I define second j equals to new second. I'm creating another object. So two object I'm created. Now through this object, I call the function I dot display function, then j dot show function. Okay. Then these are the different module. P1, P2 होची different module अलगा location अछि. ताको मु call करिवि कोठी ना P3 रे call करिवि. Now I run the file. Right click, run file. See there answer. So this is first class and this is second class. Okay. This is first class, it is called this one, and this is second class. Clear? Sangeeta, Ritu, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is very important, like when you are creating the application, आमे तो बड़ा बड़ा application बने बागु को software development करिवा, तो ये कौन सी ID रे करिवा और ये ID रे हमें modules सब बनेवा, हमें different module बनेवा P1, P2, P3, so we have to create a different modules, and that module we call to our program. So this is called as our packaging system or packaging program. Okay. Okay. So in next class I will cover the array. Okay. So I'm going to start with a new concept, that is a array. Okay. So you see the video. If you have any doubt, then ask me question. Chalo, please.